Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In my last video about studying in France, I discussed the main benefits of studying in France, why studying in France is better than studying in Germany. And if you have not watched that video, you have missed a lot. Go through that video, you will learn a lot that why France is much better for international students. And in that video, I received a lot of questions that how to apply in universities of France. And in this video, we are going to discuss everything about how to apply in French universities. I found that usually students are very confused of studying in France and how to apply and the complete process basically. So I thought it's a right time to make a short video showing you guys how you guys can apply in French universities, because the process in France is a bit complicated. But don't worry, I'll show you my screen and we'll follow the steps and things will become much easier for you guys to understand. So let's jump into my PC screen. So by clicking the link in the description, you will be on this website and you can see the details of studying in France. By the way, let me tell you that if you want to study in France, you should read this article in detail because every detail is available. But let me show you the complete process here. So studying in France has two main procedures. The first one is directly applying in the university through a university portal. So it's the simplest way. I would say, like, it's not that complicated. You have to search for the program of your interest. For example, if you're an electrical engineer, you will be applying in a related program, and then you have to apply on the university portal in which you are interested. That's the simplest way. And the second way is through Campus France. You have to pay the fee of Campus France, by the way, but I think that's worth it because the Campus France team is very organized and they help you a lot. And now I will explain the process in detail, like which portal you should use. By the way, the portal name is Etude in France. That's the name in French of the portal, and you have to make an account. But first of all, you have to choose the program. So by choosing the program, we can see the first step. By clicking on this thing, you can choose the program from this catalog. It's a catalog of Campus France. If you want to study in France, you have to choose program from these programs. For example, if we are studying for example, license 1, license 2 and L3. License 1, license 2 and L3, these are the bachelor's degrees, and same is the case for masters. There are two types of masters, M1 and M2, and usually the masters in France comprises of 4 semesters, but some of the masters are also for 2 semesters. So you have to take care of these things. So in normal case, we'll use L3 for bachelors. For example, there are 116 courses which are available for bachelors on this portal. By the way, there are so many courses which are not available on this portal, so you can check that too. And you can also check the website of your country's Campus France, but this is the best website to search for the courses. So for example, if you are applying for bachelors, you will just click on the L3, and then if you want to study only in English, 100% English, then you will click yes. And there are 85 bachelor courses which are offered in France in complete English. So you can check all of these courses. If you find a course which is relevant to your field, you should apply in this course. And same is the case for masters. If you are applying for M2, like a masters for 2 years, you can select from these 747 courses. In masters, there are more courses available, so you can select any course. You need to find a course from here according to your field. Just check the course details, that if the course is completely in English. For example, this course is completely in English and all the courses will be taught in English. So there are plenty of courses available in English in France. It's like a myth, and some of the students say that in France it's hard to find English courses. There are many courses available. It's not that difficult to find an English course. So here you can check the admission criteria and the requirements and how to apply. It's simple. You can also check the tuition fee here, and everything is available, by the way, on this portal. And now we'll see how to apply in Etude in France. Just search on the Google Etude in France, like Etude in France. And now by clicking this second link, you will open Etude in France official website, and you have to create an account here. I will not create an account for you guys here. You have to just create an account here. It's very simple. It's not a big deal to create an account. And then when you create your account, you will be, by the way, it's very different for each country. You have to search for your specific country, and for each country it's different. So you have to sign up, and then you have to upload your documents. Your documents include your CV, your letter of motivation, things like this, the documents you need for admission. For masters, you can apply to 7 master courses at maximum, but for bachelors also you can apply to 3 to 4 maximum courses. After that, you have to pay the fee. In Pakistan, we have to pay 30,000 PKI, and it's very easy. Once you paid the fee, they will process your application, and then it's all, they will process your application, and in most of the cases you get admission, and then you have to process your visa application. You can see that how you have to get an appointment and how to file a visa, and once you get a visa you will be in France. So it's very easy, so it's not a big deal. This video was very quick. I just wanted you to get an overview that how to apply. And if you want me to make a very detailed video, let me know in the comments. I will make a very detailed video on how to apply in France step by step. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.